6 Reasons Why DIY Pest Control Treatments Don't Work. While it might be tempting to attempt a do-it-yourself pest control treatment, these kinds of projects rarely go as well as you might hope. Eliminating bugs and rodents from a property takes a special type of expertise, along with the right types of sprays. Learn the common problems that can occur with DIY treatments. Sprays cause insects to scatter. Many insects don't die from common sprays you buy at the grocery store. Instead, they run off to make new nests elsewhere. Different pests come with each season. Pest control is a year-round problem, and you might not catch the next invasion until it is too late. Getting on a monthly plan means that a professional will oversee inspecting and spraying your property during the times when new critters might be trying to move in. Multiple pests tend to exist in buildings. Trying to kill multiple pests gets confusing, and you could end up bombarding your home with too many chemicals. Professional technicians know exactly which type of control method to use for each type of pest. Many pesticides come with significant risks. Chemical burns, respiratory distress, and poisoning are just a few of the risks that come from trying to use a treatment that you aren't familiar with. The warning labels on bug spray are no joke, and you could risk having an animal or child come into contact with a dangerous product. Hiring a technician to spray your property takes the risk out of your hands. Some areas are hard to treat. Bed bugs are notorious for being unresponsive to do-it-yourself methods. This is because they often lurk in areas that a spray won't reach. Professional heat treatments affect every nook and cranny in a room, so that even the tiny eggs are targeted. Animal and insect life cycles affect treatment. The good news is that your seasonal pest spraying technician is an expert. Too often, people think their DIY method worked only to find out that a new batch of insects has emerged. Your technician sprays for bugs regularly, so that new hatchlings don't grow old enough to reproduce. When it comes to pest control, plan for professional services to end the problem as quickly as possible. For more than 25 years, Custom Weed and Pest Control helped residential and commercial properties stay weed and pest-free. Don't fight the good fight alone, call Custom Weed and Pest Control.